Turmeric is a spice that colors many dishes in India a vibrant yellow. This golden spice is not just a feast for the eyes but also a treasure trove of health benefits. It comes from the root of the turmeric plant, a member of the ginger family. The roots are harvested, dried, and then ground into the fine powder we commonly see. For centuries, people in India have used turmeric not only for cooking but also for its medicinal properties. It has been a cornerstone in Ayurvedic medicine, treating everything from digestive issues to skin conditions. In traditional Indian practices, turmeric is a remedy for various ailments. It is often made into a paste and applied to wounds or consumed in warm milk to boost immunity. Today, modern science is catching up, revealing the amazing health benefits of this ancient spice. Studies have shown that turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric's distinct flavor adds a warm, earthy note to curries, stews, and rice dishes. Its versatility in the kitchen makes it a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. Its vibrant color brightens up food, making it visually appealing. The golden hue of turmeric can transform a simple dish into a visual masterpiece. Beyond its culinary uses, turmeric is a staple in traditional medicine, highlighting its versatility and cultural significance. It is revered not just for its flavor, but also for its healing properties. This essay will delve into the science behind turmeric's health benefits, focusing on its role as a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agent. We will explore how this golden spice from India continues to captivate the world with its myriad uses and benefits. The key to turmeric's health benefits lies in curcumin, its active compound. Curcumin gives turmeric its vibrant yellow color and is responsible for its remarkable medicinal properties. Studies show that curcumin is a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants protect our bodies from damage caused by free radicals, harmful molecules that contribute to aging and diseases. Curcumin is also a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Inflammation is a natural process that helps our bodies heal. However, chronic low-grade inflammation can silently damage our bodies over time. This chronic inflammation is linked to many chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin helps combat inflammation, potentially reducing the risk of these chronic conditions. Inflammation is a complex process. Sometimes it is a normal and helpful response to injury or infection. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it can be detrimental to our health. Chronic inflammation is like a fire that burns too long, causing more harm than good. This chronic inflammation is linked to a wide range of health problems, including heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. Turmeric, with its potent anti-inflammatory properties, offers a natural way to help combat this chronic inflammation. Studies show that curcumin can suppress the activity of inflammatory molecules in the body, effectively reducing inflammation. This makes turmeric a valuable ally in the fight against chronic diseases, promoting overall health and well-being. Turmeric for joint health and beyond. One area where turmeric really shines is in promoting joint health. This golden spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its healing properties. Many people experience joint pain due to conditions like osteoarthritis. This condition affects millions worldwide, making daily activities challenging. Osteoarthritis is characterized by the breakdown of cartilage, the cushioning material in our joints, leading to pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility. Regular use of turmeric can help alleviate these symptoms. Curcumin, with its anti-inflammatory prowess, can help manage the pain and inflammation associated with osteoarthritis. This natural compound works by blocking certain enzymes and cytokines that cause inflammation. Beyond joint health, turmeric also supports brain health. Its benefits extend far beyond just physical well-being. Studies show that curcumin may help protect the brain from age-related decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. This is due to its potent antioxidant properties. It may even improve memory and cognitive function. Regular consumption of turmeric can lead to better mental clarity and focus. This is attributed to curcumin's ability to cross the blood-brain barrier, providing direct antioxidant and anti-inflammatory support to the brain. Incorporating turmeric into your daily diet can thus offer a holistic approach to health. Adding turmeric to your diet. Adding turmeric to your diet is easier than you think. This golden spice, known for its vibrant color and numerous health benefits, can be seamlessly integrated into your daily meals. A popular way is by making golden milk, a comforting drink made with milk, turmeric, ginger, and other spices. This soothing beverage is not only delicious but also packed with anti-inflammatory properties. Simply warm up your milk of choice, add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, or more to taste, a pinch of ginger, a sprinkle of black pepper, and any other spices you like, such as cinnamon or cardamom. Stir well and enjoy this golden elixir. You can easily incorporate turmeric into your cooking. Its versatility makes it a great addition to a variety of dishes. Add a teaspoon or two to soups, stews, curries, or rice dishes. The spice not only enhances the flavor but also adds a beautiful golden hue to your meals. Its warm, earthy flavor complements a variety of dishes. Whether you're making a hearty stew or a simple rice dish, turmeric can elevate your cooking. You can also add turmeric to smoothies for a nutritional boost. Just a small amount can make a big difference in your daily nutrient intake. Its vibrant color adds a pop to your morning blend. Plus, the subtle flavor pairs well with fruits and other smoothie ingredients, making it a perfect addition to your breakfast routine. Maximizing turmeric's potential. While turmeric is generally safe to consume, there are a few things to keep in mind. Turmeric contains a relatively low concentration of curcumin, the active compound responsible for its health benefits. To enhance absorption, it's best to consume turmeric with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that enhances curcumin absorption. Adding a pinch of black pepper to your turmeric-containing dishes or drinks can significantly increase its bioavailability. Additionally, curcumin is fat-soluble, meaning it's better absorbed when consumed with a source of healthy fats. Consider adding a teaspoon of coconut oil or a handful of nuts to your turmeric latte or smoothie. Embrace the power of turmeric. Turmeric, a golden spice with a rich history, is gaining well-deserved recognition for its potent health benefits. From its anti-inflammatory prowess to its antioxidant capabilities, turmeric offers a natural way to support overall health and well-being. Consider incorporating turmeric into your daily routine to reap its amazing benefits. Whether you enjoy a comforting cup of golden milk, add a dash of turmeric to your favorite dishes, or choose a high-quality turmeric supplement, there are many ways to embrace the power of this golden spice. Remember to combine turmeric with black pepper and healthy fats for optimal absorption. Start small and gradually increase your intake to find what works best for you.